If you're going to drive to EAA Oshkosh and camp in Camp Scholler, I'm going to show you a great tool to use to mark your campsite when you drive in. Driving to Oshkosh from the south, you'll be on Interstate 41, get off on exit 113, which is actually south of the airfield. Approach Camp Scholler from the south on the access road. Here we're coming up on the right turn to go to the south entrance to Camp Scholler, but your first trip in, you have to continue north to registration. Park the car in the waiting lanes and get out to register. Going down into the campground, the main roads are either paved or gravel. Turning off of the main roads in the campground, you'll be on these little grass access roads that are marked by fire lines burned into the grass along the edges. There are 60 feet between the fire lines. Campsites are 20 feet wide along the direction of the access lanes and 30 feet deep away from them. I created a rope that marks out a campsite. It starts with a loop on one end, it has a 30-foot segment, and then a marker, a 20-foot segment, a marker, a 30-foot segment, and a marker, and a 20-foot segment again. I use this to mark out my campsite when I get there. I stake it down at the corners and it provides a nice visible edge to my campsite. Here's me marking my campsite. Notice the 30-foot segment starts at a fire line, then goes directly away from it. Then the last 20-foot segment along the fire line. Here's someone who marked their campsite the same way. This is a great tool you can make cheaply, and it really helps marking out your campsite quickly. Camp Scholler is a great way to experience AirVenture. I hope you get to go fun places this summer. Stay safe, stay current, and never stop figuring stuff out.